success breeds success. We have a lot of people who have achieved success, and others want to know about what it is that they're doing and how their students are achieving, particularly in the STEAM focus areas. We're trying to teach our students to be makers and innovators. We have positions in place. We have a Director of Technology and Innovation that has been extremely critical in helping to advance the mission, along with our principals. Each one of our principals at every grade level is looking at innovation and how we can take our students to the next level.
We're all here today because we all share the same vision. And again, our hope is that we can collaborate together to build a strong computational thinking initiative in our region. We have been building a STEAM curriculum, and since 2010, we have been embedding computational thinking K through 12. And that computational thinking is the design, engineering, problem-solving process. We're also developing a STEAM model for innovation. Why is that so important to us? The reason is that computational thinking is considered the new literacy. Can you explain to us what you did on the project? What was your job?
I had to program the character to say the code that I wrote down. I did Bob, and I made the mouth so he can talk.
I did some of the movements of the character.
I already am what I want to be when I grow up, which is a computer programmer.
I heard an expression just yesterday where students are coming to school and they're putting their knowledge in their lockers so that they can do school. We need to make sure that the students are unpacking their lockers when they get here.
So this build has a motor and a distance sensor. So right now they're working on writing different types of code so that the alligator, when it senses something by its mouth, the alligator's mouth will open and close.
They started off as learners, then they became mentors, then they are now curriculum designers because they're designing the new app lab to roll out this year, which they will then teach.
We started the software development team, and now we're trying to get our first app to market.
Because with Scratch I learned the basics of programming, but with App Inventor I started to learn more of the more complex bits, like you have to understand more and you have to think more because it's a little bit more complicated.
That program really got me looking into computer science and got me learning coding a lot more. And since then, I've known that software engineering is the field for me.
The secret to innovation is to think like a student, think like a kid. But what's interesting is, I think here, we actually are successful with innovation because we listen to our students.
As far as looking at all of the grade levels, our administrators, our students are really teaching our administrators and our staff a lot about technology and innovation. We want our students to be makers.
So you got your categories, math, language.
Yeah, but you can easily change those categories right here.
Then typically there's an engine down there, and then you attach a wire to it.
What we're thinking about doing in our design solution is not only come up with a different shape that's easier to hold, but we're also going to use different materials to insulate the handle.
I think that we're always trying to foster creativity, not only in our staff, but also in our students. We want to provide creative options for them to learn. We want to provide a learning environment that stimulates creativity, and we especially want our staff and our students to be creative in their thinking about the future. As we frame the future together with our students, we want students who are creative, engaged citizens of the world.